This is BirdNote. When scientists need to capture birds for research, they often use a mist net, a length of fine mesh strung between two poles on the ground. But what about catching birds that stay up in the treetops? That was the challenge facing ornithologists in eastern Virginia, studying how red-headed woodpecker parenting differs between the sexes. Male and female red-headed woodpeckers look identical, so the scientists had to analyze their DNA to sort them out. This meant somehow catching them as they came and went from nest cavities high in dead trees, and giving them ID bands. The solution? Go fishing! Well, kind of. The researchers used fishing rods to cast ropes up into the trees, then lifted the nets with a pulley system. They'd suspend a net between two trees so it hung near a woodpecker nest. They managed to catch and band 61 birds. This peek into woodpecker family life showed that males and females both brought the nestlings food, but they split up other parenting duties. Males were in charge of removing feces from the nest, and females did more incubating and brooding. Just one more ingenious way that scientists are gathering info on our feathered neighbors. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein.